There is a number inside your retirement account right now. It is not your balance. It is not your return. It is a fee so small it looks like nothing. And over your working life, that nothing is going to cost you more than $500,000. And the worst part? It was disclosed. You just weren't meant to understand it. In the next 8 minutes, you're going to learn exactly what this fee is, how it compounds silently against you for decades, and the one move that takes less than 10 minutes and fixes most of it. No jargon, no fluff, just the mechanism and the math. And if you are new here, this channel exists to explain the financial mechanics nobody teaches you before they cost you. Hit subscribe. Every Saturday, one video, no filler. Every mutual fund you can invest in charges you an annual fee to manage your money. It is called the expense ratio. And here is the first thing they do not want you to notice. It is never billed to you directly. There is no invoice, no monthly charge on your bank statement, no line item that says, fee deducted $600. Instead, it is quietly removed from your fund's value every single day. Before you ever see a number, your statement shows you the result after the fee. You never see what was taken. The average actively managed mutual fund in America charges around 0.68% per year. Many charge 1% or more. Some older 401k plans, especially at smaller employers, layer in administrative fees on top of that, and workers end up paying 1.5% to 2% per year total on money they are trying to retire on. Now here is why that percentage is not small. In investing, fees do not just reduce your return, they reduce the base that compounds, meaning every year you pay a fee, you lose not just that year's fee, but every dollar of future growth that fee would have generated. The fee compounds against you the same way your investment compounds for you. 1% per year, held over 35 years, does not take 1% of your money. It takes a third of your final outcome. That is not an exaggeration. That is arithmetic. And this is the part the industry built the system around. If the fee showed up as a bill, you would notice it. You would ask if it was worth it. You would compare options. So it does not show up as a bill. It disappears into the math, invisibly, permanently, every single day, for your entire working life. Still with me? Good, because here is where this stops being abstract and starts being a number with your name on it. Meet Marcus, 30 years old. $50,000 already saved, contributing $6,000 a year, retiring at 65, invested in a standard actively managed fund charging 1% per year, assuming a 7% average annual market return. Marcus retires with approximately $1,060,000. Now move Marcus into a basic S&P 500 index fund. Same age, same balance, same contributions, same market return. Total fee, 0.04% per year. That is what a Vanguard or Fidelity Index fund actually charges today. Marcus retires with $1,590,000. The difference is $530,000. Not from a better market, not from smarter stock picks. From one number on a fund detail page that most people have never looked at. Marcus did everything right. He showed up. He contributed. He left it alone. He just never knew there was a right fund and a wrong fund. And nobody told him, because the wrong fund is more profitable for everyone except Marcus. If this is the first time you are hearing about expense ratios, this channel is going to save you a lot of money over time. Subscribe now. New video every Saturday. Free, always. Here is what you do today. 4 steps. Takes 10 minutes. Step 1. Log into your 401k or retirement account. Find the funds you are currently invested in. Look for a column labeled expense ratio or net expense ratio. If you see anything above 0.20%, keep reading. Step 2. Look for an index fund option inside your plan. The name will include words like index, S&P 500, or total market. The expense ratio will typically be between 0.01% and 0.15%. If your plan has one, that is where Marcus should have been from day one. Step 3. If your plan has no low-cost index fund, talk to HR. Employers have a legal fiduciary duty to offer reasonable fund options. That duty is routinely ignored, but it is legally enforceable. Workers have sued employers over bad 401k lineups and won. Your HR team does not always know this. Now you do. Step 4. Tell one person, a sibling, a friend who just started their first job. The expense ratio is not complicated. It is just hidden. Every person who understands it is someone the industry can no longer quietly charge $500,000 over a lifetime. So here is my question for the comments. Which option are you? A. You had no idea expense ratios existed until right now. B. You knew about them but never actually checked your own account. C. You are already in index funds and mildly annoyed it took you this long to find out. Drop your answer below. I read every single one, and it tells me exactly what to make next. If this video did anything for you, the next one worth watching is right here. It covers the other number in your financial life that works the same way, invisible, compounding, and expensive, and most people never catch it until it is too late. Watch it now. I will see you there.